Episode Spotlight: Rimac Nevera, a Croatian electric hypercar that redefines performance with cutting-edge battery tech and quad motors. Its powertrain delivers up to 1,914 horsepower and 2,360 Newton-meters, enabling blistering acceleration and precise all-wheel torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour arrives in about 1.97 seconds, with a top speed near 258 miles per hour, redefining instant impulse. Manufacturing began in 2023 as a limited run of high-tech carbon chassis machines. Founded to push electric performance, Rimac fused Formula One engineering with straight legality, placing the Nevera at Croatia's automotive renaissance.